Hi, my name is Renee Monroy. I am from Arizona, originally born and raised in California, Oceanside. I graduated high school in 2007. I graduated with my associates in 2013, as well as a phlebotomy program in 2013. I worked maybe about 6 months in that field until I had a child and stopped working for the first 5 years of his life. I haven't had an online class since 2006 when I did English, high school English, and I found that I need a visual classroom to learn the majority of the subject. I'm a very visual learner, so that just helps me when the teacher is right in front of me. But I've found that reading and highlighting and my new study ways is getting better, and hopefully can get even better with this class. My goal to continue education is to get my bachelor's with this program and work for a while and then go back to school again to get my master's. I just never want to stop learning, but I also don't want to be in debt. I am majoring in psychology, addiction, and mental health. An interesting, unique fact about me is when I first graduated high school and went to college, I actually wanted to be a mortician. I had to take elective classes, and I took an intro to psychology and fell in love with that subject. I ended up taking every psych class that school had to offer. And I am currently a behavioral health technician that supervises and redirects severely mentally ill residents in a home setting. My prompt that represents me is my first psychology book, and it helped that when I had my first psychology book, the teacher was not exactly normal, and he made feeling abnormal normal, pretty much. And it captivated me, and it became a passion for me, and I tried to bring more weird into the world.